All right, guys, if this is your first time tuning in, my name is Jason. Thank you for visiting Ski, Fish, and Enjoy Life. If you look behind me, it is the Dauntless Party Boat out of Point Pleasant, one of my absolute favorite to go on. We're gonna do an all-day trip catching some ling, sea bass, fluke, flounder, mermaids, everything out there. So guys, it's gonna be an awesome day. Let's go. Shout out to my new buddies on the boat. We have Rich over here. We have the grandfather over here. We're gonna have an awesome day, guys. Where are you guys from?
Philly.
From Philadelphia. We got Eagles fans.
Oh yeah.
You know what to say about Eagles fans? A hell of a lot better than Cowboy fans.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we got. Got one of them sea bass. And that is what we call the double sea bass ling-a-ding. Felt like it. Yeah, that's nice sea bass. That's sea bass. This sucker feels like it has size, but we will see. Did you pull yours out of the structure? That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I think that's what I have. Very nice. I think I got a similar one because mine got some weight. Oh, ling-a-ding. That's Bud. Which name were you from? Beautiful, nice fish. We got some chub mackerel. Nice, we got one. This one feels a little better, which I always say. You know, you could do a skit. Every time I say it, go, let's prove it. Guys, we're here at a wreck. Let's see who's home. Got some weight on this sucker. Big ling-a-ding. Look at that sucker. Guys, we have the full winner here with the cod. Congratulations, bud. Guys, if this is another skate, I'm gonna kind of go ape shit here. So let's have a nice ling-a-ding here. Fluky. First ever 4-spot flounder. I'm gonna test it on my buddy, see if it's edible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Look at that. Thanks, bud. That's a ling-a-ding. There we go. right, guys, that concludes another nice day on the Dauntless. Like I always say, they never disappoint. Had a great day where we got some sea bass, we got some ling, we got huge cod on the boat. So we always have a good time, and I will be leaving the website in the comments of the vid. Guys, until next time, remember, every day is a blessing, and don't ever forget to enjoy life.